Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Paul Mohim. Subscribe for educative tech videos. How to calculate the age of a person when given date of birth in Microsoft Access. So many people have been asking, how do you calculate the date of birth how do you calculate the age of a person in Microsoft Access when given the date of birth? So today we want to do that query live and direct. So this is what you do after you have the table. When from the table of, assuming you have a table like this, it has the member's ID, it has the first name, surname, and it has the date of birth. So for you to calculate the age of the person based on the date of birth, what you do, you will go on create, and then you create query in design. You will pick the table that is having the date of birth. So let's say we will have the members ID, first name, surname, and then date of birth. So for us to calculate the age, this is now our main focus is here. For us to calculate the age of the person, we will use a function called DateDiff. So what you create, you write age and then the semicolon or the full colon and the right DateDiff into brackets, and then you have the quotation y to brackets, comma, and then you now put your field for date of birth the way it is, date of birth, comma, and then right now, then this, and then you now close. I want us to be very careful with this formula. This is now our major formula. DateDiff into y, comma, date of birth, comma, and then now close now function, and then close the entire formula. And then you now do what? You run your Excel. This, after using this formula, you find that the person who was born in 1996 is now 26 years old. The person who was born in 1990 this time is 32 years. 1986 is 36 years old. Let us go back to our design view. So our formula is DateDiff. That we use the function of DateDiff, and then this is how it is written with some commas in between. So there are three things you must put in mind. The four Y's: the date of birth, which is the field that you are using, and the now is showing the present time. So that's how you calculate the age of a person when given the date of birth. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel.